Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can be used to manage projects, tasks, and data. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used to improve productivity and efficiency. But before we get into the details of how to use Smartsheet, I want to answer the question that you're probably wondering. Can anyone view a Smartsheet? The answer is yes. Anyone can view a Smartsheet, but there are some limitations. First, you need to have a Smartsheet account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you have an account, you can share your Smartsheet sheets with other people. You can do this by sending them an email invitation or by sharing a link to the sheet. However, there are two things to keep in mind. People who you share a Smartsheet with will only be able to view the sheet. They won't be able to edit it unless you give them permission. If you share a Smartsheet with someone who doesn't have a Smartsheet account, they will need to create an account in order to view the sheet. So, if you're looking for a way to share your Smartsheet sheets with others, you can do it, but you'll need to keep these limitations in mind. Now that we've answered the question of, can anyone view a Smartsheet? Let's take a look at some of the other features of Smartsheet. Smartsheet features. Smartsheet has a number of features that make it a powerful tool for collaboration and workflow management. Here are a few of the most notable features. Drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easy to create and customize sheets. Gantt charts. Gantt charts are a great way to visualize project timelines. Forms. Forms can be used to collect data from users. Workflows. Workflows can be used to automate tasks and processes. Integrations. Smartsheet integrates with a number of other applications, including Slack, Jira, and Salesforce. How to use Smartsheet. Now that we know what Smartsheet is and what it can do, let's take a look at how to use it. Create a new Smartsheet sheet. Add columns to your sheet. Add rows to your sheet. Populate your sheet with data. Use Smartsheet's features to collaborate with others and manage your work. Smartsheet pricing. Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of different users and businesses. The most basic plan is the individual plan, which costs $14 per user per month. There are also team and enterprise plans available. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can be used to improve productivity and efficiency. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used to manage projects, tasks, and data. If you're looking for a way to improve your team's productivity, I highly recommend giving Smartsheet a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.